All right, today we're going to show you how to do a squat curl. So what we're going to do is we're going to incorporate the squats and the biceps in the same movement. So she's going to squat down, keeping the ribs tight to the body, and all the way back up. So you could do it that way as you're doing a curl on the bottom or even on the way up. So go down, I like this way, and then come back up, curl, squeeze, all the way back down. Keep those ribs neutral and come back up. So many people think when they're doing a squat that they have to stand up so tall. You don't actually need to stand up that tall. So you're coming down again as you're going to do the squat. Keep those ribs there, hinging at the hips. Perfect. And then come back up. Ribs, 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 ribs. Perfect. Squat down again. Fold, fold, fold. Good. Come back up. Curl. Good. And then all the way back down, but don't squat yet. Just relax these and now squat. Excellent. So the main thing is you need to do it however you can keep those ribs engaged. Afterwards, then you can speed it up. So we'll do it from here. Squat down, keep the toes down, all the way back up. As you come up, some momentum, all the way back down. Yes, absolutely perfect. That's how you do a dumbbell squat and bicep curl.